Hello, I'm Kyle Pressman with Richard Greaves, and we are in Banff National Park today to introduce our new listing at 301 Buffalo Street.
So we're steps from the Bow River here. We're under the watchful eyes of Rundle Mountain just to my right and Sulphur Mountain just behind me on the left. We are just across the river from the Banff Springs Hotel as well as the Banff Admin Building, and you are not going to want to miss this incredible home. Welcome to 301 Buffalo Street. We are 40 steps from Banff Avenue with some of the best restaurants in the world. This is your opportunity to own a unique and very rare property in Canada's iconic national park.
That's funny, Richard, because I counted 41 steps, but I'm not as tall as you. What you don't know is that once you get into this property, you think you're in the middle of the wilderness. You don't actually hear anything.
So as soon as you enter this home, the first thing you notice right through those windows behind me is just how private this home really is. You do feel like you are living by yourself in Banff National Park. We've got some incredible European styling, and just check out all the natural light coming through those windows. So the living space here, we've got this beautiful granite slab, 5-foot gas fireplace, and as we move to my left, we have some beautiful, again, timber framing, real feels like a French chateau with cathedral ceilings looking out onto your private backyard.
This kitchen is incredible for entertaining, Christmas parties, weddings, whatever you like. Double island with live edge granite. There's a hidden wine fridge here, beverage fridge, pantry there, and of course a 60-inch French La Cornue, incredible gas oven with matching hood fan, fridge, coffee maker, etc. around the right.
As you came through the main entryway of the house, we've got this beautiful 3-piece washroom just on my right. And then just to the left, we have this incredible reception room. Again, we've got some beautiful natural light coming in through those north-facing windows. I'd actually make this my office. It's just an amazing space.
I'm just chilling out in this family room. I absolutely love this room. Vaulted ceiling here, looking out over the yard. I can watch my pizza cook. I couldn't be happier.
This has to be one of the best views I've ever seen from a primary suite. You get your own private view of the Bow River flowing through Banff National Park. It's unbelievable. As part of this primary suite, we also have incredible cathedral ceilings in here over your own king-size bed. You get your own private wing for the private suite. And we have a gas fireplace with marble background, a big TV over top, and a 5-piece ensuite washroom.
The primary ensuite absolutely exudes elegance. Beautiful white granite, 5-piece, incredible shower, and a standalone soaker tub. You could literally spend all evening in here. Just down the hall from the primary suite is this incredible office, which actually could be a nursery or another bedroom. There's a 3-piece ensuite as well. I love the versatility of this room, especially if you have a new baby or a grandbaby. I love this sun-filled corridor. It's a fantastic place to showcase your art, and it leads us to the next wing of the house.
The hardwood floors flow through onto the north side of this wing, where we have 3 full bedrooms, very large bedrooms, all with vaulted ceilings, and then at the end of the hallway here, a 4-piece washroom. Directly off the kitchen, we have this incredible mudroom and laundry room. It's also got a 2-piece powder room here, and we have access from here to the triple car garage as well as the lower level. Made our way down to this lower level. It's the perfect hangout place. We've got the pool table here. Just behind us here, we've got another den, family room, movie room, and then just behind me, Carl's going to explain what we've got down there.
You've got an awesome full bar down here, sub-zero fridge, and my favorite, the golf simulator. There's also a gym behind me as well.
Just accessed off the living room, we've got this amazing backyard. So we've got these beautiful Rundle stone paving pads as a patio. We've got a wonderful fire pit, and then just take a look behind me at just how big this yard is. You get all day sun here. The sun comes up from the east and goes all the way behind me to the west. And we've got these mature trees that give you some shade, but it's just a beautiful place to hang out in Banff.
Hey Richard, check out this barbecue area. Built-in Fire Magic barbecue, granite counters, and an awesome pizza oven. You could spend all afternoon out here.
So we have this security coded back gate that looks back onto the Bow River, and we've got some beautiful mature trees in the backyard that give you complete privacy.
The amazing attention to detail doesn't stop when you get outside. Have a look at this amazing fence. Complete privacy, stone, surrounding the entire home and the landscaping. You've got your own private RCMP officer watching over the property, although he don't say much.
As always, if you've got any questions about this home or you'd like your own private exclusive tour, our contact information is below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some incredible videos coming in the next few weeks.